Assalamu alaikum to the students. Welcome to you all in our English language class. This is our English language class and I'm your teacher Sidra. Walaikum Assalam Shahruz. I hope you all are fine. Alhamdulillah, I'm also fine. Thank you so much. Now, this is our lecture number 34 and we are going to start with the comprehension which is on page number 63. I want you all to open your books. Everybody, kindly open your books, your language books, so that we can start the comprehension reading, then explanation. Okay? Okay. Is it fine now? अब ठीक है? How is it now? Is it okay? Okay, fine. Okay. Now, everybody open your books, page number 63 of comprehension. Yes, Sanya. How is it now? अब ठीक है? Is it okay for you all? मोहम्मद अली अब ठीक है? Okay. Yes. So first we should start the lecture. Okay. If you all are having any confusion, any problem regarding the other than the lecture, okay, इस lecture से related नहीं बल्कि इसके अलावा अगर कोई चीज़ आपको पूछनी है तो kindly ask me at the end of the lecture. Okay. No, Sanya, I'll let you know. Just wait. Okay. Sanya, just wait. Your copies will be collected tomorrow. There is no submission on this Saturday. Okay, because from 1st of February you have to join the school in person because your midterm exams are starting by Monday. Okay, 1st Feb से आपके midterm start हो रहे हैं. So you have to collect your every copy by tomorrow from the school and no submission in this week. Okay, कोई submission नहीं है इस week में आपकी. From today I'm not going to give you any written homework. Okay, आज से आपको कोई written homework भी नहीं मिलेगा. Okay, whatever you will be doing in the class in this lecture during these 40 minutes, it's enough for you. Okay, it's okay. But after this lecture you are not going to have any homework. Okay, आपको कोई written homework अब नहीं जाएगा. But Anamta, it will be uploaded in the classroom. Okay, just wait. Okay, now we should start the lecture. This is our comprehension at page number 63. I want everybody to open the book so that we can start reading and then explanation. Okay? This is the picture of Great River Nile, okay, about which we are going to read today. We are going to start a comprehension passage of English language. It is about River Nile, okay, and you all have to be very careful while reading this. I want some of the students to read. Yes, Asya, you should start reading first. Yes.
The Great River Nile flows gently in its course through the hot plains in the first half of the year, but later on, when the melting snows and the rains on the mountain far to the south swell its tributaries, the Nile overflows. It spreads rich, muddy soil from Ethiopia over its valley and forms deep stretches of fertile lands along its bank. The settlers found that in the soft, rich earth, barley and wheat and other crops could be planted even without the use of the plough. And they began to make many settlements of farmers. They used stone implements for tilling the
or
soil and flint for their
tiling the soil.
weapons, and as time passed, they learned the use of copper.
Stop.
In these early
Stop.
times, they
Thank you so much. Acha. Now, what is in this paragraph? The great river Nile flows. You all have heard about river Nile, okay? You all know this. It flows gently in its course through the hot plains in the first half of the year, but later on, when the melting snow and the rains on the mountains far to the south swells its tributaries, the Nile overflows. Means it is the quality that the half of the year the river Nile flows very gently in its course. Okay, there is no problem in the half of the year through the hot plains in the first half of the year, it flows very gently. But later on, the second half of the year, when the snows start melting, okay, and the rains start, the rainy season when it starts on the mountain far to the south, swell it tributaries. Swell means टू पॉप अप ओके जिसको हम सूजन कहते हैं जैसे इफ यू हैव अ बाउंड ओके तो वो जगह थोड़ी सी स्वेल कर जाती है सिमिलरली what happens for the tributaries it swells the Nile overflows means half of the year it is very smoothly flows it very gently flows but the second half of the year its tributaries swells because there is a lot of water through the rain through the melting snow so river Nile start overflows बहुत ज़्यादा पानी कलेक्ट हो जाने की वजह से रिवर नाइल जो है वो ओवरफ्लो हो जाती है ओके व्हेन यू आर हैविंग अ लिमिटेड अमाउंट ऑफ वाटर इन द टैंक ओके जब वो उस अमाउंट ऑफ वाटर जब आपका इंक्रीज कर जाएगा बिकॉज यू आर हैविंग अ लिमिटेड कैपेसिटी ऑफ टैंक ठीक है जो हमारे घरों में जो वाटर टैंक्स होते हैं सो इट हैज़ अ वेरी लिमिटेड अमाउंट इट इज अ लिमिटेड कैपेसिटी to fill the water in it if you will be having more water in it okay so what will happen with the tank it will overflow similarly the great river Nile it has a very gently and smoothly flows in its course through the hot plains when there is a hot season but when the rain starts in the next half of the year when the snow starts melting in the second half of the year it becomes swells okay its tributaries swells and the river Nile overflows it spreads rich muddy soil from Ethiopia. Obviously, when the water will be so much in the soil, so it will become muddy. बहुत ज़्यादा कीचड़ वाली हो जाती है. Over its valleys, and Ethiopia is a place name. Okay, okay. Muddy soil from Ethiopia over its valley and form deep stretches of green, fertile land along its bank. Means उसके आसपास with its bank there is a very fertile soil so that you people or the farmers can grow anything over there. Okay, the settlers found that in the soft, rich earth, barley and wheat and other crops could be planted. Means these different kinds of crops can be planted in that fertile soil even without the use of the plug, and they began to make many settlements of farmers. They used stone implements for tiling. Tiling means जैसे हम घरों में टाइलिंग करते हैं ठीक है इन आर वॉशरूम्स इन आर किचन्स ऑन द वॉल्स ऑन आर फ्लोर ठीक है टाइल्स हुए हुए होते हैं फ्लिंट इज ऑल्सो अ काइंड ऑफ स्टोन they used stone implements for tiling the soil and flint for their weapons and as time passed they learned the use of copper also okay how to utilize the stones and flints to give us suitable limitations for this overflowing of the river Nile and they also learned how to use the copper at there yes Sanya you start reading with the next paragraph.
Assalamu alaikum, teacher. In these early times, they did not, of course, understand why the river overflowed each year, but they knew that their crops and therefore their lives depended upon its magic floods, and they explained the miracle as the work of gods.
Just wait. In these early times, they did not, of course, understand why the river overflowed each year. Okay, in the early times, the people of that surroundings areas who were over there, they didn't know that why at the second half of the year why the river Nile overflows, क्यों होता है ऐसे, they didn't understand that. But they knew that their crops and therefore their lives depended upon its magic flood. But they knew that it has a magic it is a magic flood. ओके, ये जो सैलाब आ जाता है when obviously when river Nile overflows तो वो बाकी सारे रिहायशियों के लिए, when the people who are living over there, who are residents of that place, it's a flood of the people, because जब वो river Nile it overflows तो it starts going inside the houses, inside the buildings, inside the residential area. Okay, so it is a flood for the all people living over there. So in the starting they didn't understand that why it happens each year, and they were suffering from the magic flood each year. So but they knew that their crops and their lives also, they are totally dependent about this magic flood, कि अगर ये flood नहीं आएगा तो the soil will not be fertile. Okay, and it is not be suitable for us for planting the wheat and barley and the other so many useful crops. If the flood is over here, it is bad for our lives, it is bad for our properties, but it is good for the fertile soil. Okay, first of all they couldn't understand that, बस उनको ये पता था कि this is the magic flood and it is very suitable and our life and crops are totally dependent upon this magic flood. And they explained it the miracle as a work of gods, कि वो उसको as a miracle of God ही समझकर उसको accept करते रहे, and they didn't try to do anything for that. Yes, Sharos, you start reading.
Assalamu alaikum, miss. But there came some years when there was a bad Nile. Sometimes the flood was not full and did not bring enough soil. The crops were poor and the people starved. At other times the water was so great that they destroyed houses and villages and doormans and bees. It took perhaps many centuries led to many great discoveries and advances.
No, you have skipped one line. Perhaps many countries
Many
before the farmers learned. You have skipped second last
before
line.
the farmers
Hmm.
Before the farmers learned how to control the Nile waters, the need to do this led to many great discoveries and advances.
Very good. Yes. What happened? But there came some years when there was a bad Nile. Bad Nile means the water which was not suitable for them. Sometimes the floods were not full and did not bring enough soil. Means sometimes bad nights means the flood was not overflowing. Okay, it was the flood over there, but it was not enough. The water of the flood was not enough for the soil. The crops were poor and the people starved. Means the crops were very limited and the people starved means भूखे मरना शुरू हो गए, because they were having the flood at the second half of the year, so they were having so much wheat, barley and other crops which were so much useful for them. But there was a bad Nile also some years where when the flood was not full. Okay, the flood it was not full and it did not bring soil enough so that they can planted the crops, and the crops were very limited, the crops were very much poor, so the people start starving means भूखे मरना शुरू हो गए थे. At other times, the waters were so great that they destroyed houses and villages. Or फिर next time क्या हुआ? When there is a bad Nile in the previous, then the next time what happened? The water was so much and it overflowed a lot that it destroys all the people, beasts, men, सबको बहाकर अपने साथ ले गया. It also destroyed houses and villages also. Okay, and the people and beasts they drowned. वो डूब कर मर गए. It took perhaps many centuries before the farmers learned how to control the Nile water, means how to manage it, how to control this flow of river Nile water. Means कभी तो इतना bad है कि people are starving, okay, for food, and कभी तो इतना ज़्यादा out of control or overflowed है that it is destroying everything. So how to manage it became centuries. Okay, it took so many centuries for the people to learn, to the farmers to learn how to control this thing. The need to do this led to many great discoveries and advancement. Means the people to discover the management of this overflow of water or low flow of water, it leads to the people so many discoveries and advancements. उसकी वजह से उनको ये अंदाज़ा लगाने के लिए या किसी भी किस्म की इसका solution find out करने के लिए they have got so many discoveries and advantages. उन्होंने दूसरी चीज़ों को बहुत ज़्यादा डिस्कवर और एडवांस कर लिया, बट दे कुडंट मैनेज दैट फ्लो ऑफ वाटर. Yes. Sarfaraz, Alishba Sarfaraz. I hope it is you. Can you start reading? Acha, Vania Ali, you start reading, okay? Vania Ali, start reading with the last paragraph.
Wise men among them, watching the position of the stars year by year, found that they could foretell when the annual rising of the Nile would come. Thus, they began to learn about astronomy and could make a calendar of the years. They also learned how to store the waters for use in dry season by digging canals and
Dikes?
dikes
Yes.
and making reservoirs, and how to measure out the land so that I could be
It could.
divided fairly. It could be divided fairly again after the boundaries of the farms and being
Had
washed
been
away by great had
floods.
been washed away by great floods.
Floods. It is
In
not
this
floods, it is
way,
floods.
there came about ancient knowledge of engineering and of geometry.
Very good. Yes,
Yes.
what happened? Wise man means all the people who are very wise, means जो अक्लमंद लोग थे वहाँ के उस एरिया के wise men among them, watching the position of the stars year by year, means every year they start watching the position of the years. When the stars have a particular position, वो उसको पर्टिकुलर पोजीशन के थ्रू उससे गेसेस करने लगे कि व्हेन देयर विल बी अ बैड नाइल एंड व्हेन देयर विल बी अ ओवरफ्लोड नाइल. ओके, वो उसको अकॉर्डिंग टू द स्टार्स पोजीशन उसको फाइंड आउट करने लगे. Found that they could foretell when the annual rising of the Nile would came, means according to the position of the years they started to foretell. Foretell means पहले से ही किसी चीज़ का पता कर लेना, जैसे हम forecasting है. Okay, so forecasting is about the weather, कि हमें काफ़ी दिन पहले आने वाले वेदर का अंदाज़ा हो जाता है या एक आइडिया हो जाता है. सिमिलरली the wise men of that area, they start watching the position of the stars year by year. Every year they start watching the position of the year so that they could foretell when the annual rising of Nile would came. Okay, thus they began to learn about astronomy. Okay, because of this they couldn't understand, they couldn't find out the bad flood reasons, but at the same position of the stars they started learning astronomy. उन्होंने astronomy उस through learning start कर दी. As in the previous paragraph last line that they in need to do this, they led to many great discoveries and advances. उसकी वजह से बैड नाइल और गुड नाइल के अकॉर्डिंग उनको काफ़ी सारी चीज़ें न्यू एडवांसेस और डिस्कवरीज का आइडिया हो गया. सिमिलरली दे गॉट द लर्निंग ऑफ एस्ट्रोनॉमी एंड कुड मेक अ कैलेंडर ऑफ द ईयर ऑल्सो. Okay, because of this they also learned how to store the waters for use in dry seasons. When there would be a bad Nile, how can we save the water of overflowing Nile for the बैड नाइल टाइम, कि जब हमारे पास कभी बहुत ज़्यादा पानी की किल्लत हो तो व्हाट शुड वी डू कि हम ओवरफ्लो वाटर को कलेक्ट कर लें, किसी ऐसी जगह सेव कर लें सो दैट वी कैन यूटिलाइज इट इन द बैड नाइल टाइम. So they also learned how to store waters for use in dry seasons by digging canals. Okay, due to this they started digging canals so that they can store the extra water which is destroying our houses, destroying our villages, destroying our people and bees. We should store that extra water in the big canals and dikes, and making reservoirs also. They started making reservoirs so that they can overflow water, they can collect over there. And how to measure out the land so that it could be divided fairly again after the boundaries. उसको किस तरह उसकी they started to measure the land. Okay, and then divide it fairly equally. They divide it again after the boundaries of the farms had been washed away by great flood, कि कितना ज़्यादा पानी कहाँ कहाँ वेस्ट हो रहा है, और how should we divide it, the canals due to the dry areas also. In this way there came about ancient knowledge of engineering and of geometry, means due to this it started the education or knowledge of engineering as well as geometry also. Okay, now turn the page, come to page number 64. There you can see questions. In questions 1 to 4, you are given a number of ways of completing each statement. Okay, you have to complete the statement which is given. 1 till 4, you are having different options to complete the statement, so you have to find out the best option which could be suitable for that according to the passage. Okay, which should be complete and which should be accurate according to the passage. Okay, now number 1, the Nile is dash. Is it always a gentle flowing river? No. We came to know that half of the year it flows very gently and smoothly, and the second half it overflows. So A is not the answer. Hot in the first half of the year but cold later on, likely to overflow at various times of the year, a life-giving river. What should be the answer? Yes. Okay, give me the reply of this question in the chat box. Okay, I'll not listen in the mic. Okay, through the mic, I'll not listen. Give me the answer in the chat box. C. So many people are giving me the answer C, and maybe they were having their elder brother or sister's books and it is marked already, है ना? The river Nile is likely to overflow at various times of the year. Yes. Okay. It's C. Because B is not correct and it's not a life-giving river also. Okay. Because it is sometimes very good for the people and it is sometimes bad also. Okay, Sheroz, no problem. Okay, very good. The answer is C, correct. Okay. Now come to the second one. The settlers began farming in the Nile Valley. Achha, are you all having your copies right now? So we should start writing. Okay. Everybody open your copies, write down the index. Everybody open the copies, English language, write down the index first, comprehension, page number 63, okay? And then open your copies from where you have to start the written work. There you have to make title page also, okay? Listen to me very carefully. After maintaining the index, you have to you have to make the title page first. Everybody has to make the title page first of comprehension, page number 63. Okay? Okay, Sanya, no problem. Fine. Everybody make the title page, and at the next page, you don't have to write the passage completely. Okay, page number 63 पे जो passage है, you don't have to write it. Okay, you just start writing the proper question of page number 64. In question 1 till 4, you are given a number of ways of completing each statement. Choose the best one. Okay, ये question आपने लिखना है. You all have to write this question and then start writing. Complete. First, number 1, you will write with the blank. Okay, the Nile is dash, and then you have to write down all 4 options A, B, C, D. ये चारों options आपने mention करने हैं in your copies and then pick the right one. Okay. The question is in questions 1 till 4. In questions, it is written on the screen. Asya, it is also written on the screen if you don't have book in front of you. Everything is written on the screen. I have pasted the page of the same. In question 1 till 4, comma, you are given a number of ways of completing each statement. If somebody hasn't got the book, they can see the screen. You have to write down as it is. You have to write down everything as it is. You are seeing, you are looking at the screen. Okay, first write down the question. Then point number 1, the Nile is dash. Yes, have you all done number 1? Then we should come to know the number 2. Yes, number 2 is the settlers began farming in the Nile Valley because they discovered that the soil was fertile. They did not realize that the river would overflow. They could till the soil without using the plug. They realized that their crops depended on the floods. What is the right answer of number 2? The settlers began farming in the Nile Valley because if you are giving me the answer, you should give me the line number also where you can find it in the passage. Yes, what is the answer? 2's answer is line number 6. Yes, it is C. It is C. Okay, very good. Okay, fine. I also having the right options. There is some marks, but I do check by my own also. Okay. Yes, everybody write it down. Point number 2 with all the options. You have to write down the 4 options. Just wait, Ramla. Yes, come to point number 3. Mohammed Talha, number 1's option, correct answer is C. Okay. Yes, come to point number 3. A bad Nile was when dash the floods destroys the crops. The floods were empty. The river did not flood enough. The river overflowed. What will be the answer? But there came some years when there was a bad Nile. Sometimes the floods were not full and did not bring enough soil. The crops were poor and the people starved. So, what will be the answer of A? The flood destroys the crops. No, they are actually saying that there was not enough flood. There was not enough flood and the people were starving. That was called the bad Nile. So, it's not A. ए में तो वो कह रहा है कि इतना फ्लड था that they destroyed the crop, and during the paragraph, by the paragraph we are getting the bad Nile is called when there was not enough food for the people, they started dying over there. The floods were empty, the river did not flood enough, the river overflowed. Yes, it is number C. It is not A, it is C. Okay, it is C. Yes, come to number 4. We can be sure that the Egyptians of that time learned how to control the flooding of the Nile, had not fully discovered how to control the Nile floods, invented astronomy, were the first people to make sure of scientific principles from an earlier age. Yes, who can give me the answer of number 4? We can find the answer of number 4 at the last paragraph, I think. But there is nothing about the Egyptians. 4 का again C. We are having all the answers C. Wise men among them, watching the position of the stars year by year, found that they could foretell when the annual rising of the Nile would come. Thus, they began to learn about astronomy and could make a calendar of the years. They also learned how to store the waters for use in dry season by digging canals and dikes and making reservoirs, and how to measure out the land so that it could be divided fairly again after the boundaries of the farms had been washed away by great floods. In this way, there came about ancient knowledge of engineering and geometry. Learn how to control the flooding of the Nile. A is learn how to control the flooding of the Nile, had not fully discovered how to control the Nile floods, invented astronomy, were the first people to make sure of scientific principles, so we haven't talked about that in the passage. Okay, passage में अब तक scientific principles we didn't talk. अच्छा, and we can be sure that Egyptians of that time learned how to control the flooding. It can be had not fully discovered how to control the Nile floods. No, invented astronomy as the accurate wordings, I think, है ना? We are getting the C again, the correct answer, because this is the actual wording which we can find in the passage, because they had discovered the astronomy as well as they also built some reservoirs, canals and dikes to control the flood and to collect the water, to reserve the water. But reserves word is not over here. यहाँ हमें canals, dikes और reservoirs के बारे में कोई information नहीं given in the options I am talking about. Yes, it will be C. It will be C. It means that we all are having, all 4 answers are C. Okay, we are having 1 till 4, all options which are correct, they are C. Talha, how can you say that 4 ka answer will be A? If you are saying this, you should give me the reason also. Because in the last paragraph, Egyptians, they haven't learned to control the flooding of the Nile. They controlled that, but how? A and B, they both are very similar, had not fully discovered how to control the Nile floods. It must be C, I think, because this is the accurate wording which we read from the passage as well and from the options also. Okay. Sajparam, answer number 4 is C. Okay, Talha. So what do you think? A है और C है its right answer. Okay, now if you are having any confusion or any question regarding this passage or anything else, you can ask me. Otherwise, the lecture of today is done. Okay, we have completed. Yes, yes, Sharul, they learned the position of stars and it is called astronomy. Okay, it is called astronomy. So they invented astronomy. It means the answer is C. Okay. Acha. Is there any question regarding this passage or anything else? Yes, Nusaiba, you have to read the summary. Okay, I have so many times during the in-person classes when we were having it. Okay, before last time lockdown से पहले जब हमारी physical classes चल रही थी in the group wise you were coming. So I told you all that you will be having 50 marks midterm exam paper. Okay, and you have to read, you have to learn everything from the book. Okay, you have to read the whole book because the paper is made from the book. Everything which is book, it is also in the copy, so you don't have to learn or go you don't have to rectify the questions. Okay, आपको उसका रट्टा लगाने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. You just have to read the book thoroughly and read all the questions from the book thoroughly and the copies also. Okay. Yes, Halima, it can. Okay, application and letter, it could come. I don't know, Ramla. I don't have the timetable. It must be shared with you. Okay, I don't know about this, but I'm just telling you the pattern of the paper, that it will be 50 marks paper and this will be 1 or 2 lines answers of the question. Okay, it is written on the question at the top that you have to give the answer of the particular question in 2 to 3 lines. Okay, 2 to 3 sentences, or maybe there is a objective type of paper. Okay, so you have to know, Sanya, I don't know about this के ऐसे है और paragraphs है, this I don't know, but it is a short time paper, as well as the marks are also half. Okay, yes, obviously choice will be the same. Okay, choices will be the same. जिस तरह होती हैं हमेशा उसी तरह होंगी. जैसे लाइक इन क्वेश्चन आपके पास चॉइसेस होती हैं तो वो ऑब्वियसली उसी टाइप की होंगी. जहाँ नहीं होती चॉइसेस वहाँ नहीं होंगी ऑब्वियसली. Obviously the paragraphs or essay, what will it be, it will be unseen. आपको unseen ही पैसेज और unseen ही पैराग्राफ्स लिखने को आएंगे. Yes, और हम 50 मार्क्स का पेपर है. Okay, all subjects, yes, सारे subjects, it will be of 50 marks. Okay students, so we should leave now. This is the completion of our lecture. Yes, Sanya. Yes. Okay. And there is a collection of your all submitted copies you have submitted last time. Okay, there is a collection tomorrow. You have to collect your all copies. If it is checked, then it is okay. If it is unchecked, don't worry about that, because it's a final term work which is unchecked. Okay, आपका at least midterm का कोई काम unchecked नहीं होना चाहिए. So you should not worry about that. Inshallah, we will meet tomorrow in the online lecture. Till then, Allah Hafiz, take care of yourself.